The Haylou GT5. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Haylou GT5 true wireless earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The GT5 features 4 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, Bluetooth 5.0 and AAC codec, touch controls, has a gaming low latency mode, 7.2mm drivers, USB-C and wireless charging. The case has a slim profile with a matte finish all around. On the top of the lid, it has the branding, and on the front, you'll find the status LED lights. The back has a USB-C charge port. The lid feels very light and thin. It's magnetic and the earbuds are also held into place by magnets. It's a bit of a tight fit when removing the earbuds, and you can see the glossy finish inside the case. The case has wireless charging, and you can see it here activate on the charger. The earbuds have a small, simple oval design, matte finish just like the case, and they're easy to grip. The inside face has the ear indicators, and the outer face has a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, touch control, LED, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps for playback and calls, triple tap to activate the low latency game mode. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.1 by 1.7 inches. It weighs in at 38 grams and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It's not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. My wings, I need my hands. This life is real. Don't play pretend. Came off the bench. I get it in. I get it in. I get it in. And for my wings, I need my hands. This life is real. Can't play pretend. Came off the bench. I get it in. I get it in. I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun of 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Haylou GT5 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I found the microphone quality to come in a bit low for my liking, and it sounded a bit muffled. The pairing process was instant, and you can use the earbuds independently, left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the GT5. They created a tight, snug fit, and there's good passive noise isolation. You will feel some pressure in your ear canals after an extended period of time. The touch controls will help in reducing the additional pressure. Build-in quality is fair. Simple case design along with the earbuds. They both feel solid. The earbuds are very light and have a slim profile once seated in your ears. The touch controls were not overly sensitive and they responded well. Battery life is a bit underwhelming, coming in at 4 hours and 24 total with the case. I like the wireless charging and the Type-C. There was no mention of an IPX rating, so I would not get these exposed to the elements. Now when it comes to sound, these earbuds do pack a punch. The bass comes in very pronounced and has that boosted sound to it. Mids and highs come in clean and clear and there's good separation. But these definitely lean more towards a warm sound signature. Overall, I found the sounds to be decent, and the price point this is in is budget friendly. So that is my review of the Haylou GT5 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Till next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.